A Jefferson County judge wants to make changes after 6 people died at Metro Corrections in a span of 69 days.
WDRB's Dakota Sherrick found out why some feel the handling of people from out of county is a contributing factor to these deaths. Dakota?
In a tweet, Judge Julie Kaelin called the recent deaths symptoms of consistent failures. One that she and others would like to see change is how long some out-of-county people sit in jail, waiting to see a judge.
It's frustrating, to say the least.
Attorney Sarah Clay says currently, if someone is arrested in Jefferson County on a warrant from a different county, that inmate doesn't see a judge until they can be transferred to the other county.
Some counties are faster than others. Sometimes it takes over a month to transport. Sometimes it takes a few days. Sometimes it takes weeks. Obviously, in the case of Mr. Starnes, he had been here for, I think, over a week and a half and had not been in front of a judge.
Leslie Starnes died by suicide Sunday while being held in Louisville Metro Corrections.
If you're sitting in jail and you don't think that anybody knows that you're there, that you're never going in front of someone who can hear you.
What's most surprising to Clay, she says this isn't how cases have always been handled. Before, people arrested on an out-of-county warrant were still seen by a Jefferson County arraignment court judge. She's not exactly sure when that procedure changed or why.
I mean, they're human beings. It's inhumane to make them sit in the jail for an unknown amount of time, alone, without going in front of the court, without having their voices heard. I mean, and the law really requires that a judge see them.
Chief Judge Annette Karam and her office sent WDRB News a statement saying judges in the county where the warrant was issued are notified within 24 hours of a defendant's arrest. The chief judge also says because of state law, they can only do so much for out-of-county defendants. Judge Julie Kaelin expressed her belief that deaths at LMDC will continue unless serious changes are made.
I hope it will. I think transparency is extremely important. I think we need more of it in the judicial system, and I hope that bringing the attention to it will make changes occur.
Judge Kaelin called for a vote among district judges to make changes, including that people held on out-of-county warrants should be presented to an on-call judge, and if not released, the person should be put on the next available arraignment docket. Chief Judge Karam says this is not an issue that can be changed by a simple vote in one county, but could possibly be addressed at the state Supreme Court level. Regardless, Clay hopes something is changed and fears what will happen if it doesn't.
That people will keep dying.
That was Dakota Sherrick reporting.